My role at QUT focuses on providing comprehensive engineering and education services to the sugar industry. Sugarcane is one of Queensland's largest agricultural crops, and I have a passion to make sure this regional-based industry remains viable. To do this, the manufacturing process needs to be resource efficient and maintain high yields and quality. These are the key aspects that I investigate. Firstly, I help foster a skilled workforce through training workshops where we transfer knowledge to new operators, supervisors and engineers to ensure they have the core skills to keep factories operating effectively. I also model and examine new technologies and processes to maximise product recovery and minimise energy consumption for efficient operation. Efficient operations will enable the sugarcane industry to provide more fibre and carbohydrate resources to drive diversification into creating new products. These products include materials, plastic precursors and green energy such as electricity and renewable fuels for transport and even aviation. This is the future I see for the Australian sugar industry and how it can make a significant difference to our society.